Okay, part two. Um, I got my floor plan pulled down, and so we want to put in an elevation because what we're going to see coming across the bottom here is going to be the bottom of the fascia right here. Okay, X line horizontal. Oh, oh man, come on, AutoCAD. Sometimes my screen recorder bogs down AutoCAD when I'm working here at home. All right, so let's try that again. X line horizontal, and I'm going to go ahead and hit both top and bottom of my fascia. Okay, and so now I can put in my elevation, the walls, because they're going to go from here up. So we'll go line, and I'll copy that. Did that hit right? Something looks weird right there. Oh, I didn't extend it on down. There. I copied that one. I'll have to extend it. Remember, my basement wall goes up, so I need to pull those down. Oh, and this one I needed to bring up. Okay, so that's got my walls in. Um, yeah, okay. So it's got my walls. Um, Floors, I will put a finished floor line in and those kinds of things. Let's go ahead and work on our roof, okay? And what we want is the top surface where the peak of the roof is, okay? So I'm going to put in an X line at an angle. Oh, let's do that again. Okay, so that is the angle of my roof, okay? And now, because I'm looking at the front view, I want to know the peak of the roof. So I want to know the peak of the roof on this portion of the house right here. And I have 26 feet. So from the wall, let's put in another X line, vertical, right through there. And I want to offset that 13 feet. Oh, offset 13 feet. Okay, so right there is where the peak of the roof is going to be. So we'll go X line horizontal right there. Okay, now that's just the peak of the roof on these two portions here. So a elevation roof. And I'm just going to draw in a couple of lines just so I keep track of that. Okay, so let's take, let's see, this one was 26.8 because we know it had a gable roof. I'll go ahead and pull my roof plan in first. So I want to move this up. Let me constrain it. Okay, and now I want to bring in my my roof plan as an X reference. Roof plan. Insert on screen. Okay, and I'm just gonna pop it right here, and then I'll move it because we did our outline of the roof there. What happened here? Move, select object, base point. Oh, I turned off my object snaps. Okay, base point there. I'm gonna pop it right there just so I can get it in place, and now I'll move it again. And I'm just gonna move it up a little bit. Okay, so now I've got my overhang, so I can come back in and put in some overhangs. So let's copy. Oop. That's an overhang, overhang, peak, overhang, and overhang. So this I can pull out. This I can pull out. And I can draw some lines on top of that and down. I'm going to go down to the bottom of my fascia. I'm going to come over to that point. And we'll have to clean that up in just a moment. So that's got the my roof outline. Okay, so I'm going to take that line out, and I'm going to take that line out. And then remember, let's see, we had 26 feet 8 across the front. So let's come back over here, and let's do an offset of this line. That would be 13 feet 4. Okay, and so now let's copy up and make sure we got it on the line, not the clipping boundary there. Okay, so that's the peak of my roof here. Okay. And the angle is going to come from this point right here on top of the fascia. So a elevation roof. So we'll go line from here to there, back to there. All right. So now I'll extend my main roof over to those. Put in the top of my fascia. Now this will extend on over. Like so. Now our fascia let's see, what did we measure? Five and a half inches. Okay. So let's do an offset, 5.5 inch. Okay. Trim those. Extend that one down. Extend that one down. And now we got some vertical pieces we got to put in. Okay. So that's kind of got our roof outline. And we're at 10 minutes on the video, so I'll pause it and then come back here in just a minute.